Alright, so first I'm gonna come through and I'm on wax and degrease this dash cover for this 70 Wildcat. And then by this dash being so old, you don't want to press on it hard because you'll crack it. But it looked like it's in pretty good condition. So after I come in and degrease it, then I can come in and sand it and get it ready for dye. Alright, so one way is tightening it, and but this is loosening it, okay? Alright, so with this, I'm just gonna
Are you even recording?
wet that down. Oh, it's too much coming out of there.
Are you even recording?
Alright, and then you just wanna come through, watch what I'm doing, because I'm gonna show you, then I'm gonna let you do the rest. Okay? So once again, did you see what I'm doing? I know, you try it. See, you're doing bigger sections than me. Watch what I'm doing again. See, I'm not doing like this. I'm doing little bitty strokes, then once I do this, I come over a little bit. Then I come over a little bit and I come all the way down to the bottom. See, but you gotta put your hands on there. But you gotta come all the way down to the bottom. Okay, because you just kind of doing it here. You need to come all the way down to the bottom. Put a little bit more pressure on it. Not hard, but just, now listen to, let your hand up. Listen to the sound of this. You doing like this. Listen to the sound of that. You hear? Not like that. Do you hear the difference? All right, try it. There you go. But you gotta come all the way down. Watch what I'm doing again, Devon. I want you to pay attention. I'm going all the way up. Then I come over, I go all the way up, come all the way back down. Then I move over, go all the way up, come back down. And I'm working with this part of my fingers. I'm not doing like this. I've got my 3 fingers, and then I got this up under here. So this is holding it in place. So come around on this side. I'll let you keep trying this till you get it right. All the way down to the bottom. Okay, because you just kind of doing it here. You need to come all the way down to the bottom. Put a little bit more pressure on it. Not hard, not hard. Just now listen to. Let your hand up. Listen to the sound of this. You doing like this. Listen to the sound of that. You hear? Not like that. Do you hear the difference? All right, try it. There you go. All right, so I'm gonna get the dye mix off. Dye this dash here for 71. First off, I got a spot here that I keep forgetting to get. So let me come in and show you that now. Alright, see right there, you probably won't even see that, but it's cracked, guys. So let me come in and show you how I'm gonna fix this here. Alright, first off, guys, just use baking soda, any old kind of baking soda, guys. Alright, guys, so then I'm gonna just use super glue. Alright, so I normally use like alright, so I come in there with the soup, with the baking soda and the super glue. And I just want to get in there and get, put that baking soda in there with the super glue. All right, guys, that's gonna repair that crack right there. Now come in. Just blow this off. Then I want to just take a little sandpaper. I'm gonna just sand that down a little bit, guys. Alright, so I'm just using a 150 grit sandpaper. But now see, guys, I can press on that and it's not cracking. See that? I'm pressing on that, it's not cracking. So I don't know if you can see in there, but I got all this taped off now. But you want to wear gloves. You don't, at this point, you don't want to get no grease on your work area, your area to be painted. You don't want to get no grease on here at all at this point, guys. So all you got to do is just spray this on here. Now, they got like adhesion promoter. That's all this really is. It's kind of the same thing, guys. So I'm gonna just wet that down, let it sit a minute. And I only want to do so much at a time. Alright, guys, so that's that dash all completed. Let's see if I'll get it out in the sun and see what it looks like. And I'm gonna go and put my WILDCAT dash back in there, emblem back in there. This is that dash, all dyed up here. I think I should get the WILDCAT emblem on there, but yeah, that's the color I was looking for. He mixed this color up for me, so it'll be close to the color of the outside of the car. You're not just gonna go in and get this dye this color. So, you know, I took them in a piece with that color that I painted, like some of the engine parts that I painted on my showstopper, and it had the same color that I'm painting the car, and he's able to mix that up for me. But I'm looking at this emblem. I'm kind of wondering if Bob got one, if I end up with a spare. I want to take one down and see if I can paint it white and then put the red line and Buick and stuff in the red, same color the red, so this would be white and red. That's like little detailed stuff that I like doing, guys, but I have to make sure I got an extra one before I mess up one trying to do that. So alright guys, yep, that's the 70 Wildcat dash, guys. Alright.